Welcome to the install of a C4 Corvette rear end. It's a Dana 44. Installing it into an S10 Blazer. The Blazer's really clean. It has an LT1 from a 90s model Z28 5.7 liter. I tend to do before planning, hence the name Ready, Fire, Aim. As you will soon see, has been the entirety of this project.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my
Artlist.io.
As you can see, I have already notched the frame to allow clearance for the half shafts. I've shortened the half shafts 2 inches to put the wheels under the body of the car.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So the next part of the project is to fit these toe control rods. They became too short when the half shafts were shortened 2 inches, and the placement of the rear end obstructed the travel of the rods.